Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Ready to let your brain relax? Let's play. Brain game, word search puzzle. Question 1. It's easy, you have 20 seconds. The dog is hidden here. Can you find it? Question 2. Do you know where the kitten is hiding? You have 20 seconds. Find it quickly. Oh, the cat is hidden here. Can you find it? Question 3. Do you know where the lion is hiding? You have 20 seconds. Find it quickly. So easy, right? You found the lion! Wow! Do you know where pandas hide and eat bamboo? You have 20 seconds. Find it quickly. You found a cute giant panda. Question 5. I don't know where the turtle is hiding. Look for it quickly. It only takes 20 seconds. Okay, you found it. You are so cool. Question 6. Can you spot the tiger in this dense jungle? You have 20 seconds. Great job! You have an eagle eye for spotting tigers. Question 7. Can you find the koala hidden among these eucalyptus leaves? You have 20 seconds. Well done! You found the adorable koala. Question 8. Can you locate the cunning fox in this forest? You have 20 seconds. Amazing! You've outsmarted the fox and found it. Question 9. Where is the bear hiding in this snowy landscape? You have 20 seconds. Fantastic! You've discovered the mighty bear. Question 10. Can you spot the zebra blending in with the herd? You have 20 seconds. Excellent job! You found the zebra among its friends. Question 11. Where did the rabbit disappear to in this garden? You have 20 seconds. Wonderful! You've caught the speedy rabbit. Question 12. Can you find the mischievous monkey swinging through the trees? You have 20 seconds. Bravo! You've spotted the playful monkey. You did a great job. Now you can like this video first, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Well, let's continue the game. Question 13. Where is the majestic horse galloping in this open field? You have 20 seconds. Incredible! You found the graceful horse. Question 14. Can you locate the fluffy sheep in this flock? You have 20 seconds. Well done! You found the woolly sheep. Question 15. Where is the duck swimming in this pond? You have 20 seconds. Great job! You found the quacking duck. Question 16. Can you spot the tiny mouse hiding in this maze? You have 20 seconds. Amazing! You've discovered the sneaky mouse. Question 17. Where is the enormous whale swimming in this ocean? You have 20 seconds. Where is the enormous whale swimming in this ocean? You have 20 seconds. Question 18. Can you find the kangaroo hopping in this Australian outback? You have 20 seconds. Well done! You've spotted the bouncy kangaroo. Question 19. Where is the tall giraffe grazing in this savanna? You have 20 seconds. Excellent job! You found the elegant giraffe. Question 20. Can you locate the massive elephant in this jungle? You have 20 seconds. Bravo! You've discovered the mighty elephant. Question 21. Where is the adorable penguin waddling in this icy landscape? You have 20 seconds. Wonderful! You found the cute penguin. Question 22. Can you spot the colorful bird perched on this tree branch? You have 20 seconds. Great job! You found the beautiful bird. Question 23. Where is the fish swimming in this coral reef? You have 20 seconds. Incredible! You found the vibrant fish. Question 24. Can you locate the cunning wolf hiding in this forest? You have 20 seconds. Well done! You've outsmarted the wolf and found it. Question 25. Where is the graceful deer roaming in this meadow? You have 20 seconds. Amazing! You found the elegant deer! Thank you for your watching. Please click like and subscribe.